This webinar focuses on factors which increase gross margin. What determines the gross margin increase of a business unit or company? Improve gross margin per unit by either increasing the price per unit dependent on elasticity of demand or decreasing the cost to produce, acquire or sell the unit R&D effectiveness. Increase the volume number of units while focusing on inventory management. Decrease the overhead efficiency and cost controls or reduce the cost of poor quality. Coming to the first factor, which is just in time JIT inventory management. Inventory entails many hidden and obvious costs. Among these are costs of carrying, ordering, storing, as well as risks of obsolescence, spoilage, shrinkage, undetected defects, and inadequate insurance, etc. Inventory costs can involve enormous amount of money. The just-in-time JIT seeks to provide the exact amount of production materials when needed without shortages or excess inventory. JIT minimizes production variances in the following ways. Small lot sizes are used. The stages of manufacturing cycles are fully synchronized. Inventory use is driven by demand forecasts, the pull approach, and the optimum utilization of resources. Coming to the cost of poor quality, the cost of poor quality COPQ is the most important area of focus to achieve cost efficiencies and to strengthen the operating margins. COPQ can take one or all of the following forms: post shipment defects, scrap, decay, spoilage, rework, downtime, debugging, software errors, cost of field servicing, cost of handling complaints, warranty repairs, and replacements. Both operations and R&D organizations are jointly responsible for cost of poor quality. These two functions must make joint efforts to control cost of poor quality as it becomes hard to identify actual source of cost of poor quality. Companies deploy Lean Six Sigma projects across internal supply chain to cut cost of poor quality and generate substantial cost savings. Poor quality adds to the routine costs of production. Now coming to the last point of operational effectiveness and how it impacts margin. Operational effectiveness plays a critical role in enhancing productivity, efficiency, and strengthening operating margins. In a cross-functional setting, business operations and processes need to be effective in different functional areas all across the value chain. Business divisions must design and structure critical business processes efficiently to achieve operational effectiveness. More important, these business processes should focus on timely value creation activities, which must be thoroughly documented in specific standing operating procedures SOPs. Some companies will not have any defined business processes, and even if they have one, those would remain undocumented. If a business process is not put into a policy document or SOP, people can ignore it inadvertently.